Dear friends and dreamers of the future, today, I address you with a message that transcends time and space. One that resonates with the year ahead, 2024. This isn't just another year on the calendar, it is a crossroads of opportunities. A threshold to greatness. Today, I invite you to embark on a transformative journey. One that will take us to the exclusive top 1%. First, let me ask you a fundamental question. What does it really mean to reach the top 1%? It's not just about success or tangible achievements. It's about discovering and unfolding the greatest version of ourselves. It's about living a life that reflects our highest aspirations, our deepest passions and our most precious values. To begin this journey, we must first embrace change. Change is the only constant in our lives, and it is the engine of growth. Do not fear the unknown. Welcome it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and transform. Each new challenge is an open door to new possibilities. Secondly, we must establish clear and defined goals. These are not just aspirations, they are lighthouses that guide our path in the darkness. But it is not enough to establish them, we must act. Action is what separates dreams from reality. Dream big, but act even bigger. Also, it is crucial that we surround ourselves with people who inspire us, that challenge us, that push us to be better. Choose wisely, seek mentors, friends and collaborators who reflect the values and future they want. Also, never stop learning. Learning is the food for personal and professional growth. In a rapidly changing world, lifelong learners are the ones leading the change. Be curious, explore new fields, read, listen, observe, and absorb everything you can. Face your fears. Fear is often the only barrier between you and your wildest dreams. Acknowledge your fears, but don't let them dictate your actions. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it. And, of course, give something back. True success is measured not only by what we get, but also by what we give. Share your knowledge, your time, your experience. By elevating others, we elevate ourselves. This act of generosity is not only a moral duty, but a powerful tool for personal growth. By helping others, we broaden our perspectives, deepen our empathy, and strengthen our communities. Every act of kindness, every moment of mentoring, every day we spend serving others. It is one more brick in the construction of a better world. Besides, remember that the path to the top 1% is not linear. There will be stumbles and falls. But every failure is a lesson in disguise. Learn from your mistakes, don't punish yourself for them. Every setback is an opportunity to grow, to sharpen your focus and strengthen your resolve. Persist with passion. Passion is the fuel of excellence. When they pursue what they love, work becomes joy and obstacles become exciting challenges. Find what lights your inner fire and let it burn brightly. And in his pursuit of greatness, never lose sight of what really matters: your health, your well-being, and your loved ones. Do not sacrifice these jewels on the altar of success. A true leader finds balance, taking care of himself as much as he takes care of his ambitions. To end, I want to remind you that each of you is capable of amazing things. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Be brave, be bold, be kind. And more importantly, be yourselves, because your greatest power lies in that authenticity. Together we can. And we will reach new heights. This is our moment. The year 2024 is our canvas. Let's paint a bright future, together. If you have found value in these words, if you have felt a spark inside you, I ask you to subscribe to the channel. Give it a like if this message has resonated with you. Leave your comments to share your own experiences and perspectives. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might need to hear these words today.